Hello, aspirants of Technovids. Today we are going to see all new features of Technovids Training Academy that have made a remarkable training impact during this COVID pandemic. We are a new generation training company, and we understand how boring it is to study yourself. Yeah, I am talking about self-paced training, where you have to complete your training on your own, and without proper guidance. It is really tough. Yes, it is too tough. We, at Technovids, believe in new methods of training, that is instructor-led training, where your training will be conducted on the cloud platform with our experienced trainers. In this training, we keep in mind your educational development through proper guidance, hands-on training, and recordings of every session. Yeah, hands-on training, isn't it interesting? With these training methods, our aspirants are surely going to rise high in their career. Oh, no, not like that. But would be more successful, in other words. With 50+ technology, Technovids is raising high as the emerging top best training institute. So what are you waiting for? Join us to be the change.